Hey guys, guess what? It's summer in Toronto, that means it's sailing time. So today my buddy and I went out to get the sailboat ready. But unfortunately, one of the main ropes snapped during the winter. So this particular somebody had to climb all the way into the mast to get the main ropes at a height of 64 feet, which is around 20 meters. Risky.
Cookie crisp.
Cookie crisp.
Cookie crisp.
Oh, sick.
Oh,
You like this?
follow me. This is our first time going up in the mast. If I die today, then, you know, at least that was fun. It was a fun ride.
Now it goes both ways?
Yeah. And now it just goes in, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. We're good. Wow. Yeah. We're good. Oh, this is high. Hold on. Oh shit. You know what? Hold on. Yeah. I gotta grab it. Hold on. Oh shit. A little higher. 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 Yeah, wait. I got it. Yeah, let's do this. Woohoo! Dude, that was intense. That was
It has always been one of my biggest dreams to sail the world one day and take you guys with me. So consider this still a work in progress. Thanks for watching guys, and hope to see you again next week. This summer is going to be very busy for me while I'm recording new episodes in Canada, Europe and Asia. So this will be a good time for all you new subscribers to catch up by binge watching the reformat travel seasons listed on this channel homepage. So you will be fully up to date before the next season starts. My personal favorites are the Switzerland and Japan seasons. Oh, and let me know which season is your favorite reformat season by leaving a comment in the comment section below. I truly love every single one of you guys for supporting my show. It really means an awful lot to me. Thank you.